Grow your own spring onions, a beginner's guide. Imagine snipping fresh, flavorful spring onions right from your windowsill. In this video, we'll show you how incredibly easy it is to grow your own spring onions at home, even if you've never gardened before. Get ready to enjoy the taste of homegrown goodness in just a few weeks. Let's gather our supplies. You'll need a few simple items to get started on your spring onion growing journey. Don't worry, most of these are readily available at your local garden center or online. First, you'll need some spring onion seeds. Look for a reputable brand at your local garden center or online retailer. Next, grab some good quality potting mix. A well-draining mix is crucial for healthy growth. You'll also need a pot or container. A 6-inch pot is a great size for a small batch of spring onions. A watering can with a gentle nozzle is essential for watering without disturbing the seeds. Finally, make sure you have a sunny spot, either indoors or outdoors. Spring onions thrive in sunlight. Now for the fun part, planting the seeds. We'll walk you through each step to ensure your spring onions get off to a great start. Follow along closely, and you'll be amazed at how simple it is. First, fill your pot with the potting mix. Leave about an inch of space at the top of the pot. This will help prevent water from overflowing when you water your seeds. Next, gently make small holes in the soil. Each hole should be about ½ an inch deep. Space the holes about 1 inch apart from each other. Now, carefully drop 1 or 2 seeds into each hole. Don't overcrowd the holes, as this can hinder growth. Gently cover the seeds with soil and lightly pat it down. Finally, water the soil thoroughly. Make sure the soil is moist but not soggy. You don't want to drown the seeds. Proper care is key to growing healthy, vibrant spring onions. Let's discuss the essential elements of watering, sunlight, and fertilizing to ensure your plants thrive. Consistent care will reward you with a bountiful harvest. Water your spring onions when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Ensure the pot has good drainage. Spring onions need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. If growing indoors, place your pot near a sunny window. Rotate the pot regularly to ensure even growth. To encourage healthy growth, fertilize your spring onions every 2 weeks. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. This will provide the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your spring onions. But first, let's talk about thinning. Thinning ensures each plant has enough space to grow. Once your seedlings have developed their first true leaves, it's time to thin them out. Choose the strongest seedling in each hole and gently remove the others. This will give the remaining seedlings room to flourish. You can start harvesting your spring onions when they are about 6 inches tall. Use scissors to cut the green tops off, leaving the bulb in the ground. This encourages new growth. The best part is that the bulb will continue to produce new shoots. You can harvest multiple times from the same plant. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown spring onions. Here are a few extra tips to help you achieve spring onion success. These tips will give you an edge and ensure a continuous supply of fresh onions. Let's maximize your harvest. Consider starting your seeds indoors a few weeks before the last frost. This gives your plants a head start. Transplant them outdoors once the weather warms up. Practice successive planting by planting seeds every couple of weeks. This ensures a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. You'll always have fresh spring onions on hand. Don't throw away the bulb after harvesting the green tops. You can use the bulb in cooking, just like a regular onion. It adds a delicious flavor to your dishes. Growing your own spring onions is a rewarding and easy experience. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy fresh, flavorful onions right from your home. We hope this guide has inspired you to give it a try. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment. Gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. We encourage you to share your experiences and ask questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tutorials. We're here to help you grow your own food and create a beautiful garden. Happy gardening!